Howdy, y'all. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're looking at the beautiful bent tree lofts, one bedroom. This is a one bedroom with 733 square feet. It's all new. It's never lived in. This is a gorgeous one bedroom. I love it. The Bent Tree Lofts has done a really nice job. This is a quick walkthrough so you can just see some of the features of it. You've got a really nice kitchen that feels very wide open. You have a lot of storage with these cabinets. You have so much light in the white. It just really feels warm and inviting and welcoming. The island's really adorable too. It's very, very cute. And then you've got more space out here as well. So you've got a really nice living room area. You can have some great parties over here. You can have plenty of people over, and you've got some great windows. It's really, really nice. But then over here, you got a great bedroom. The bedroom is also nice. You could have a king bed in there if you wanted to. This is more of a double or a twin. But you've got some nice sized windows. You're going to have some natural light streaming in, making it more enjoyable to be here. You also have a really good bathroom. So the bathroom is beautiful. It's got great white cabinets here. It's got a beautiful mirror that's over here, and then a really nice sized walk-in closet. We'll see more of that in just a minute. So gorgeous apartment, ready to go. These are just recently built. These are perfect to come check out. If you're ready for a tour to see these gorgeous Bent Tree Lofts, there's no faster way than to send me a text at the number below. I'll get you that tour set up super quick, and also answer any questions you have about Bent Tree Lofts or about living in Dallas. So send me a text on that number below, and we'll get to chatting real quick. Okay, we're gonna do a really quick video. It's actually going to be, we're going to start the front door, and we're going to walk through and kind of see a few more details. So let's go to that next.